I gave you my heart.
What's poppin'? It's the crackheads on no crack.
We don't do drugs. Point blank, period.
Facts, no printers, sis. Hey, I'm Emily.
Oh, I'm Jaylah.
It's our first video.
We're gonna do like a Q&A even though nobody asked us questions.
We're just gonna tell you about us while we do each other's makeup, but like, we're not gonna do it at the same time because no thanks, sis. So I'm gonna do hers first, and then we're just gonna tell you about ourselves. She has the Morphe brushes and stuff, and then we're gonna use James's palette because he's iconic. We get distracted easily, so just like remember that. I'm gonna start by carving out her brows so I can put something as an eye primer.
I want the Cheetos.
Get the Cheetos then.
Ignore the stain on my knee. I might or may have not fell today in mud.
Okay,
So
so
I changed my mind.
I feel like you have more brushes than this. Am I just going crazy?
Oh, I do. I'm Jaylah, okay? Emily's the white one. We're in high school. I'm 14. Emily's 14.
How many days were?
Wait, I got. Yeah, I counted.
Yeah.
On my fingers.
We're in the Yeehaw State, aka Kentucky.
Yeah, we ride horses and smoke cigars.
So this is not wet, but that's fine. Okay, so
Emily has a boyfriend.
I do.
I do not.
I'm her girlfriend, so.
Yeah. No homo though.
Oh, okay. Open your eye. Actually, I need you to open your eye.
Oh my gosh, me and Emily have children. We have
water
We've had them for a year and a half.
Remind me to insert a pic.
Alright, so pack that into the outer corner and kind of bring it into the crease. I know I was it's because I am. And
No, you're not. You're better than me.
so we're just gonna put that in the outer corner, kind of like a V. Kind of bring it in just a little bit. Skate, which is that pressed purple, and we're gonna put that into the crease.
Alright, me too soon. So I'm actively looking for a sugar daddy. Or a sugar mommy. I'm not gonna be because that ass I'm looking for one. I'm gonna leave mine. It's scared me. Thanks. DM me, bro. And
Follow us. Okay, so that probably looks really bad right now, but we're gonna blend her up with single, which is right next to it.
Oh, okay, back to the matter of fact. I'm single, ready to mingle. Emily's got a whole boyfriend. We've been dating for like 4 or 5 months. I don't know.
7 months on the
Oh,
fifth.
for real?
Yeah.
Damn.
Started dating in June.
They're cute
Literally,
together.
me and her have no other friends but me and each other.
Don't expose me.
I just exposed us both.
Okay, you're right. Also, I'm really tired. I don't know what. Well, I didn't go to sleep until like 3 because Emily wanted to FaceTime me.
Yeah, I didn't go to sleep till 4:30, so. Wait, you ended the call at like 2 o'clock and said you were going to sleep.
Okay, I'm read a couple. No, I had like a chapter, bro. Come on. I couldn't stop, bro.
You should-
What?
What book is it?
Wow.
Okay, so it's not bad.
I've been trying to be more active on Instagram.
I'm sorry I'm not telling you the brushes I'm using, but I'm using the Morphe MV20.
Yo, I got like this pack. It's like,
And then I'm going to take Brother and I'm going to pack it into the outer lid right under the skate. right there on the outer corner, and then we're going to go in again and go in on the inner corner and pack her in there. Okay, so after you pack that in,
I don't have enough balls to join on my account, so I joined on your account one time.
I'm going to go in with the more, and then I'm going to mix escape and single. And then I'm going to blend out that blue into the crease. Brother into the crease. And it probably looks like shit, but that's fine. So then just really take escape.
This is your arm.
And really blend it out. And then go in with single. And then make sure to just really blend out the top of that since I've done it like I did. Yeah, I'm sorry.
I must speed it up. I don't know how to edit, so you know, I don't know how to pronounce her name. Antonia?
Yeah.
You know her? Am I saying that right?
Yeah.
I like her editing style.
Is that better?
Yeah.
I don't know if you all can see, but like.
You get closer to the camera.
Okay, we're doing Halo Eye, by the way.
I don't know how to do anything.
By the way, I kind of don't feel like doing the other eye because it's a lot of work, and I kind of don't know how I did this, so.
You need to watch the tutorial back to do the other eye.
You're gonna have to stop eating for a hot second. Why? I can do this Halo Eye.
Oh, we got the other eye.
I don't want to do the other eye. Just come here.
You could never be a makeup artist. You just do one eye and be like, well, I'm done.
It looks like a penis. Yeah, I'm just gonna do salad. I'll fix it before we.
Yeah, sis. I think it looks
Going
good.
back in with the Morphe MB23, I'm gonna take that.
You've only read off the brush things 2 times.
Yeah, I kind of forgot. With Brother and just really blend that concealer shade to the outer and inner corner. And then going in with Escape and really just going in.
We should go on vacation together.
Yeah, but
Melanie's my friend too.
so I'm going in with the MB19. We're gonna go in with Artistry on the MB19. And just pack it.
Maybe one of my sugar daddies can fly us out to wherever they're at. Like someone who like feet pics. 'Cause like.
And you have to send us a video of you saying cheese.
Oh yeah. They're fans and make videos about them saying cheese. Anybody send me a video of them saying cheese? I don't have a video of you saying cheese.
You don't need. I'm literally with you like almost all the time.
Say cheese.
Okay, I'm
Ooh,
gonna.
that looks good.
Thanks. Okay, I'm going in with MB19. And just make sure everything's nice and blended out. Blend it.
I don't do drugs. And I
Oh.
do not recommend it. But I do make a lot of jokes of it, even though it's not a funny topic.
You could gaze into the future.
I kind of cackle.
So I'm gonna go in with the MB26, and I'm gonna mix the colors Ring Light and Face to get that nice brow bone highlighting shade. get that brow bone. Hey guys, we forgot to do an outro, so thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Follow us on our social medias. Hit me up because I want a sugar daddy.
And we'll see you guys sometime again.
Bye.